Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? Um, I just wanted to take this time to really think about how you can be a little creative and how you do the parts in your play, in your reenactment. This book, Boris on the Move, was a little bit easier because there were mainly three parts, right? There was Boris, his mom and dad, and maybe the cat if you wanted to add it. But this book Boris gets a lizard is a little bit trickier. Let's look at what the parts are. So at the beginning, Boris in chapter 1 is chasing after his cat, right? Named Lion. And then he's imagining a big lizard. And then he's at school. So at school, there's the part of his teacher. And then he goes home. So there's his mom and dad. And then he goes back to school and he's with his friends. And his friends are Frederick. Let me see. Alice and Frederick. So if I count up all the characters, there would be Boris, Alice, Frederick, his parents, and the cat. So that would make, and the teacher. So that would make like 6 or 7 parts. And you probably don't have 6 or 7 people in your group. So if we think about it, is there some way that you could get like 3 or 4 people to do more parts? Could the teacher, the person that's the part of the teacher also be one of the parents or one of his friends? Yeah. So what you can do is you can do more than one part. That's one way to solve that problem. Another thing I want you to think about is to switch up the parts. Maybe if you're Boris, give someone else a chance to be Boris another day. And then you become the part of the director or giving suggestions to your group. So 2 things I want you to think about is how you could mix up the parts somehow. And if you don't have enough people, more than one person could do a part. And if you have too many people, then you're going to have more people making suggestions as you act it out of how you could do it. So multiple directors helping out. So boys and girls, be a little flexible and creative on who has what part. Change it up. Maybe do the same story, the same scene, reread it, but then have a different person act it out. And I bet it'll be fun because they won't act it out the same way. And then if you acted, maybe you could take a turn giving suggestions. Because when you stand back and watch it, then you get better ideas for how to be an actor too, right? You give your friends good ideas and you get better ideas. So boys and girls, the goal today is that when you do some reading for your scenes, you are going to reread something and switch parts. You're going to mix it up a little bit, and you're going to give suggestions and work it out so that everyone is participating. And then try something different that you haven't done before, and make sure you're watching your teammates and give them good pointers. So you have to be careful readers. All right, boys and girls, good luck today with reenacting.